Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss the high-impact, hot-heavy news events that are coming our way very soon. We want to be aware of these so we don't get caught off guard while we're trading. Today's video, we're going to be discussing the dates of October 1st through October 3rd. That is Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Beginning with Sunday, there is a bank holiday in China as well as Australia. Now, as we work our way into Monday, the bank holiday in China does continue, but the Canadians also join this bank holiday parade. At 10 and 11 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll also have high-impact scheduled news out of the US, and then at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we'll have high-impact news out of Australia. As we work our way into Tuesday, the Chinese bank holiday does continue even further, and this time the Germans have a bank holiday to join the mix as well. And at 2:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we have high-impact news coming at us out of Switzerland, then again out of the US at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and then finally at 9 p.m. Eastern Time out of New Zealand. That'll do it, and good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.